Oh yeah, we did go slow.
Yeah, the very first one is extremely slow. That's the slowest fuse that we never did on.
If I see you two back behind me.
5 hours later.
Listen to the echo.
No, we do most of our playing at Hunter Park and Riverside.
Jeez.
Uh-oh.
Go out. Go out.
That's the one we
Started a fire.
Some of these are going to blow on the ground, man. Is that boat set up?
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Now we're going to change over to the back. I don't know if we made it to the cake or not. Guess we're going to find
You
out.
mean the milk crate?
Yeah.
No, I do not.
I see a fuse. I think I see something lit right there. I don't know. That wasn't a slow fuse though, was it?
No.
It failed.
Nope, there it goes.
Okay.
There it goes. There it goes. I think it's going.
Oh, it is.
Oh, yes, it is.
Uh-oh.
There we go, baby.
Oh, God. Watch out, kiddo.
Well, the lift on those sucks.
The lift is horrible. Yay.
Yes!